Paul Straub with Victoria Park Realty. Today we're here at the Venice of America, here right off of Olas in the Intercoastal. I have a fabulous piece of property with 50 feet of waterfront, dockage included, built-in pool already there. This property could use a renovation. Maybe you want to tear it down and start over again. There's a number of possibilities. It's priced right for just the land alone. Let's take a tour of the area, and when the video's done, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you out. Whether you're thinking about buying or selling, having the right realtor makes all the difference in the world.
The heat of my heart. Left hand shield, right sword. Evil falls through me. Between sea and sky, it's just another year for me. Hardcore, where we started. Hardcore, the heat of my heart. Hardcore.
My name is Paul Straub with Victoria Park Realty. I've been selling real estate down here in South Florida for over 21 years now. I started out as an appraiser back in 1995. Sold properties all the way from Key West all the way up to Jupiter. I hope you enjoyed this film. And again, my name is Paul Straub with Victoria Park Realty. Thanks for watching. And remember, whether you're buying or selling, having the right realtor makes all the difference in the world.
Welcome to my house.
It's my house.